Hi guys, welcome back to Baloys TV channel. Please continue to show your love and support for this channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. For today's video, we will be cooking Tortang Alugbati, or also known as Malabar spinach. For our ingredients, we need 1 small size carrot, 1 small size potato, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 small size onions, 2 bell peppers, 2 eggs, and our alugbati or our Malabar spinach. For our seasonings, we need 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Ilagay ang pepper, salt, and flour and haluin lahat ng ingredients. At ito na ang ating masarap na tortang alugbati.